Manipur, Assam, amadi West Bengal, ahumna punna yumbu oiduna pangthokkadaba. Chamaga kuntrama thoirak suba Durand Cup ki Unveiling ki thoram ngasi Imphal East Palace compound laiba City Convention Center da pangthokkre thoram aduda Chief Minister N.Biren, Youth Affairs and Sports Minister Govindas Konthaujam amadi Lieutenant General K.K. Repswal, SM BSM Chief of Staff, Eastern Command and Chairman Durand Organizing Committee amadi atay masaknaiba kaya su sarugaki. Thoramgi saruk ama oina trophy ahum Chief Minister N.Biren, Works Minister Govindas Konthaujam amadi Lieutenant General K.K. Repswal na hangdoki. Thoramga mari laina na Chief Minister na phongdoki bada mahaki punsiga sumari laina ba event amani mahang na BSF ta lairingai da Durand Cup lauki ba mikuptu ningsingli Manipur na event asigi yumbu oibang ngambasi chawthoksai mathang dadi event asigi ayamba saruk Manipur da pangthokpina ba organizing committee da taksilagani event asi Manipur miyam na mapungfa na sawatpiu tournament asigi atabu mamalda ticket lawgani adumapu local TV channel singda live tawraroi event asna Manipur gi football gi lamda achoba inot na mapiragani haiki.
Very fortunate, and I am very grateful to the Army authority that from this year, Unviel recruitment will be done here in the Lemukong Hills. We no need to go to Langapaha or Assam or other place. Now the General Karta has already informed me and the notification has already issued that the recruitment of the Unviel will be held here in Lemukong Hills. Really, to further strengthen our bond, as I said, with the armed forces, I am happy to announce that Cabinet reviewed the remuneration awarded for gallantry award winners of the armed forces also. Earlier, only party amounts were awarded, which we have enhanced significantly this time, and it has increased to 25 lakhs.